Buckle up, buckaroo.
Because the Redtiger F17 Elite is here, and it's about to make every other dashcam look like blurry security footage from a haunted house. Feast your eyes on the world's first dashcam with full-color in-cabin video. It makes your back seat look like it's ready for its own Netflix docu-series on the secret lives of forgotten snacks. And right now, Redtiger is doing a big anniversary blowout, so if you've been waiting to upgrade that sad, laggy, grayscale relic strapped to your windshield, this is your moment. The specs are impressive. We've got a triple cam setup, 4K in the front, because why wouldn't you want to capture every glorious pothole, 1080p inside, to finally identify the source of that mysterious smell, and 2.5K in the rear, to settle debates about who really cut who off. Powered by Sony Starviz 2 chips, so you can actually read license plates instead of guessing if that was a Subaru or a spaceship. And the HDR? It's like sunglasses for your dash cam. Bright sun, blinding headlights, whatever. Even with my pitted windshield, this thing balances light better than my therapist balances my questionable life choices. Need to grab footage fast? This bad boy's got 30 megabyte per second Wi-Fi transfer speeds. That's 10 times faster than your dusty old 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi cam. You can offload videos before your coffee even gets cold. Touchscreen? Smooth. You can preview, playback, and switch between single and triple screen views with one finger. Wife in the passenger seat? She can check on the kids or the dog in the back with one click. It even works in total darkness. The night vision algorithm uses blacklight tech for crystal clear, full color parking footage. Plus, it supports up to 512 gigabyte TF card storage, and they include a 120 gigabyte card right in the box. That's 3 camera recording for almost 4 hours. Oh, and if you lend your car out to friends or that one cousin, don't worry, this thing's got 24-hour full range monitoring. You'll know exactly who's been eating fries in your back seat. If you drive, you want this. So hit the links in the description for the anniversary sale. I don't know how long it'll last, but your old dash cam is already out of time.